One important purpose of digital eyewear is to filter out harmful UV rays and blue light emitted by devices such as phones and laptops. This can ease symptoms of computer vision syndrome such as eye strain and headaches. A lot of people call and email to ask us what type of computer glass is best for me. DebSpecs offers two lens types. Both are excellent at blocking harmful light. Melanin lenses absorb 100% UV light and 40% of blue light, while clear blue lenses absorb 65% of UV light and 50% of blue. So, which digital eyewear is best for you? Choose melanin if you need 100% UV protection and you don't mind the deep amber tint. Clear blue lenses have a little less UV protection, a little more blue light protection, and they have a barely perceptible tint. All are available in reading strengths or no strength. To find our computer glass section on our website, go to the top menu and hover over Categories. Toward the bottom of the first column, click Computer Glasses, and there you can further narrow down your search. DebSpecs has dozens of trendy computer glass styles to choose from. Each pair comes with high-end optical-grade frames and lenses. Kinda sorta wanna try them? No sweat, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee.